Hello, we're the Modular Solar Noise Barrier team. We are currently a Stage 3 team on our fourth semester. For this upcoming 2025 semester, it's only me on the team. And to give you some project background, noise barriers are basically walls along highways that mitigate the noise from traffic to nearby communities. Basically, we want to do is we want to build new noise barriers with a mechanism to attach solar panels, which is also modular. So this modular aspect basically refers to making the design more accessible, easy to transport, and easy to install. Our community partner is Dr. Ayman Alwa, who is the founder and CEO of Niwa Energy. We've been working with him as well as Madhukar and Raj on previous semesters to basically go over the designs we've had, ideas, materials, and some other constraints as well. In our last meeting, he came up with this Fabric Solar design, basically by the Swiss engineering firm that produces these cassette type walls that have the solar panels on a piece of sheet metal, basically. So that's basically what we want to follow, that same principle, but making it both bigger and modular so that it can be easy to transport and doesn't need any heavy machinery on site. So right now our design is broken down into three parts: the barrier, the foundation, and poles, so that it can be easily transportable and installed. So the barriers basically are one of the parts. It's going to be made out of shafts and sheet metal. We basically want to have this fixed angle here so that the solar panel can rest there and be fixed. We also want a back panel for accessibility and interior support shafts from the foundation. Basically, these interior support shafts hold the whole thing together and stabilize it to the ground. As well as these poles. These poles are basically held by another smaller shaft, and then are also attached to the ground. So then these poles hold the barrier as well as the barrier next to it. So then what do we need to do? We need to break this down more. We need to make this more modular, make a more detailed design, basically to see which components are going to be modular, which components are not, which components are going to go together, and which are going to go separate, basically. And then we want to do testing on this CAD. We want to do the prototyping building and test that as well. And then finally, we want to write the risk analysis and the user manual. And our overall goal is to basically deliver the project since we have a good running start on this project. So who do we need? What do we need? We need mechanical engineers, civil engineers, construction engineers, some skills or CAD skills, welding skills, writing skills overall to help in the prototyping testing phases, as well as writing some of the manuals and risk analysis. But really, anyone willing to learn, willing to collaborate in this project is welcome. So I look forward to seeing you.